I got ones and so low. You want me in a box? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see when I see them dancing.
Walking around in the
What do you call them? Oh,
feet.
Lifting your feet, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling around the. What's the word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun. Wanna break free. Wish I could be part of their world.
To live out of these
Waters. What would I pay to spend a day warm on this day? What you learn, they understand, but they don't reprimand their daughters. Thank you, Jamai. Sick of swimming, ready to stand. I'm ready to know what the people know. Ask some questions and get some answers. What's the word? What is it? What's the word?
Burn.
What is button? Wouldn't I love to explore the shore above? Out of the sea, wish I could be part of their world.
Right, Sebastian and Flounder. Kayo pala yung si Sebastian saka si Flounder. Yung isda sa kayong Ay,
Hi, Ma. Okay ka lang, Ma?
kilig na kilig.
Mama.
Nawala sila sa Hogwarts. Bakit? Siyat naman ito. Ay, hindi nila maalam ang mapapigure out ang pagbukas ng siya. May nakita sila doon? Sa kabila? Kasi hindi nila makita siya. Kung paano buksan.
Sabihin mo kakatahin.
Ay, ito ba na?
Ano yun? Hi, everybody.
What do you guys want to sing?
Sayang na sayang talaga. Bakit? Gusto nga nila pakanta sa akin, Mama.
Alin?
Sayang na sayang. Sayang na sayang talaga.
Walang sayang.
Dating mag-ibig na sa'yo.
After all that I need.
Ikaw pala daw.
Taas nun.
Ako nakakanta na mataas. Ikaw yung mababa.
Dito na lang.
Ano dito?
Fortissimo.
Jello, dancing queen.
Let's connect this one.
Dancing queen naman, Sergi.
Dancing Queen.
Puro naman sigaw yun, Mama eh.
Puro ba sigaw?
Oh, tingnan mo, Chris. Tingnan mo, Chris. Ang cute. Baka isa yung yellow.
Ito yung binigay sa'yo?
Baka, di ba?
It's a Tweety Bird.
Cute.
That's a Tweety. That's a Tweety Bird.
Budgie.
Pag ginawa mo yan, mag-aaway-aaway kaya sila?
Malaki yung kulungan, hindi naman. Oh. Ito.
Yan ba yun, Nasbay?
May magbibigay sa akin ng ganyan. Ano to? Quaker.
Kwak-kwak.
Quaker. Kasi huwag niyo na po bigyan kasi may magbibigay sa akin ng Quaker. Last na yun. Ito. Quaker.
Grow up with you though.
Yan ang Quaker.
Cute. That's a cute one.
Ayan ang Quaker, oh. Tingnan mo.
It's a parrot.
Maliit lang siya. Ayan, oh, Chris.
Birthday niya.
Yes, yes. Ayan, oh, tingnan mo. Quaker.
Duet.
Go, 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 go.
Michael Jackson? Michael Jackson now?
You are not. I just can't stop loving you. Michael Jackson.
Jackson.
OMG! OMG!
Uy, 7:35 pala. Makakaloka naman yung relo mo dito, Chris.
States. State. Ano?
Wala akong makita eh.
Perfect. Human nature.
Banana aso.
Perfect.
Natatawa ako.
Tonight.
Cause tonight is the night.
Iba yun.
Okay, alipin.
Ayan.
Anong kanta natin? Ano na? Sige. Na 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 na.
Ikaw?
Namamat na. Simple. Ha? Lakas tama. Lakas tama. Ako'y nananawala ang isip ko pag nakikita ka. Sinta, lakas tama. Cruisin. Sige, cruisin na lang.
Bilis. I see ikaw pala with you. Oh, shit.
Chillax.
Ayun na, Mr. B.
Karanta.
Yun na. Baby, let's cruise away from here.
Hindi ko alam to.
Don't be confused.
Because you...
The way is sweet. And if you want it, you got it forever. This is not a one-night stand, baby. Let the music take your mind. Di daw niya alam.
Alam.
Wala, hindi alam ni Mr. B. Fly Cruising, guys. Sorry. Someday we'll know. Hindi nila alam.
Jet lag!
Jet lag.
Someday we'll know!
Alam mo? No. Hindi niya din alam yung someday we'll know, guys.
Beating beast. More than words.
Kung alam niyo,
Alam mo to?
It's like,
alam kong hindi tayo sa amin. Paano yun?
yung title na.
Moira and December Avid.
Hindi ko alam ang title. December something.
Kung hindi ikaw.
Si Tito may kinumpose na ganyan yung ano eh. Nasaan na yung kanta? Be, alam mo yung may kinumpose si Tito Maning na kanta? Parang more than words. Sinasabi niya yun sa akin dati eh. Pinapakanta niya sa akin. More than words yung tunog, pero iba yung lyrics. Tanong ko kay mama mo, baka natago niya. Sabi mo, meron daw kinumpose si Papa na tunog daw ng more than words. Pinapakanta niya sa akin yun eh. Balay mo natabo ni Tita.
Show me how you feel more than words. It's all you have to do to make it real. Then you show you feel that your love for me is real.
Hi, January!
Hey, Auntie Mom! Jet, pwede pa sara yung pinto? Para... That one. Yeah.
You can make things you just by saying I love
You. More than words. Now that I try to talk to you and make you understand, all you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hand and touch me. Hold me close, don't ever let me go.
Hi, January! Hi, Auntie Mom!
It's all I ever needed you to show.
Hi, Tree! Thank you so much.
You won't let you say that you love me, 'cause I know really if my heart was torn into more than words to show you feel that your love for me is what would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new. Just by saying I love you.
Thank you, Rubik. Thank you, Ann. Thank you, Ann. Mami Envy!
Daddy, more than words. Daddy, more than words. Thank you, January.
Hi, thank you so much.
More than words. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da-di. More than words. Ooh.
Ay, yan dapat matutulog mo, Che.
Ay, ganun lang eh.
Ano?
Kaya-kaya ko yung part na yun.
Yan.
Aray ko.
More than words.
Ang ganda!
Ganda!
Live concert. Ano ba na yung tingin?
Ganun.
Grabe, guys! Imagine watching this,
Ano na, Frizz?
this like, you know, like,
Yes.
you can never. You can never.
But you can.
But you can.
On September 10th.
On September 10th.